Assalamualaikum guys, I'm making this video today on activity number 1.5 which was assigned to me by Sir Nasrullah Khan, my oral communication instructor. So this activity is actually based on non-verbal communication and it is written in the following word situation what possible message are being sent, and there are seven situations given, and I have uh, to give a comment on each of the situation that what the person in that situation is sending the possible message. Alright, so starting from the first one, a customer approaches the counter. Where are you standing? You greet the customer by smiling and saying good morning. The customer does not look at you or respond to your greeting. So my point of view on this situation is that maybe the customer who comes to you and you also say good morning to you, but he didn't reply or even look at you. So maybe his mind is somewhere else. He was thinking about something else. So in most of the cases, it happens that the person is present on here, but his mind is not present at that situation. He was thinking something about maybe something happened few hours or few minutes later before he came to the shop, or maybe he was thinking about some event or something he planned or some situation that he's going to. So in this situation, people our minds are not present at that same time. So suggestion number two, as you approach the table of two in your restaurant, you notice one of the customer looking at his watch. His movement appeared hurried and he is talking very quickly. So I believe that he's showing that he's in a hurry and he have some important work to do, and maybe he's wanted to deliver a message of shame to the restaurant or the his waiter that he went late in arriving his meal. So maybe he's delivering a body language to the manager or the waiter that I didn't receive the lunch on time. Where's my lunch or my dinner, whatever he had. So maybe looking at watch and thinking about like what's going on. Where's my lunch? Why are these guys late? Or maybe he's real in a late for something. Maybe he's going to an event or some important meeting or a job interview or something which is really important to him. That's why he was showing that he's going to late. That's why he was looking at his watch. So situation number three, you greet your boss, she smiled back at you. Alright, so in this situation, according to my opinion, I'm gonna say uh, she smiled back at you. Maybe if you are attractive or you are a good looking person, so people usually try to engage yourself with them. So so these are the main points. Smiles or saying hi or maybe came closer to someone. So it's kind of an things to engage someone, and if maybe if she likes you or she wanted to talk to you, so that's I believe that's why she smiled back to him. So and another point is that maybe she's a kind-hearted and a really jolly person. So mostly person who are in their habit that they mostly smile at the people and greet them very nicely. So it's usually the habit of the people. All right. So situation number four, you ask a customer how her meal was and she says okay with a strange look on her face. Of course, she didn't like the meal or she didn't like the service, or maybe you can say that mostly person who are don't like people to ask him something when they are eating, especially the stranger, because the waiter is a stranger to the customer and they don't like them to interact again and again while they were eating. So this could be the situation, or maybe she's an introvert. She don't want to talk to strangers or something else, or simply we can say she didn't like the food. I think the most common will be that people who didn't like the food, they just say okay with a strange smile on their face. All right. Situation number five, four customers are sitting at the bar laughing and talking loudly. So I also see a group of people laughing loudly and talking loudly in a restaurant or in a public place. So I believe that those people are maybe who are sitting at the bar are friends. And when there is a circle of friends anywhere, so jokes and all of their entertaining goes on. So I think they were friends, and that's why they were laughing and talking loudly. And when we are with friends, because friends is a zone when then you forgot everything. You don't realize that where are you sitting, or didn't care about the social circle or anything. So you laugh, you joke with friends, you do whatever you want. So they're actually what they are doing in this situation, laughing and talking loud with it. So this is what usually when friends get together do. So situation number 6, you come in late for work, you say hello to your boss, he grunts a quick greeting and then returns to his work. So uh, in this situation the person came in late, so that's why she didn't like his attitude because he's being late. Your boss never wants you to get late on the job. He always wants you to come before him. So is that the situation? She likes to put a really little impression on him that why you are late today. So it's a kind of an impression to the person who gets late to the job. Situation number 7, you forgot to turn off a wave at work. Your coworker comes in and turns off the wave and then drank and shrunk his shoulders. So maybe in this situation we can say that at work we are in competition with people, and the other person always wanted to let others down, and we also let them down, and we also tries to update our position at work. So maybe he wanted to show a kind of a disgrace or a disrespect to the person by turn off the wave at work in front of it, that showing that and conveying the message that you didn't responsible as I am on the work. So maybe that's the reason why he do this, and that's why he shrugs his shoulder in this situation. So alright guys, so these are the 7 situations. So hope you guys like it. Thank you.